Hi everybody and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an email marketing campaign in Go High Level using a template. Templates help save time, keep your designs consistent, and make it easier to launch emails quickly. If you've never used a template before in Go High Level, this step-by-step walkthrough will show you everything you need to know from start to finish. You'll learn how to select a template, customize the content, adjust the layout, and set up your campaign for delivery. By the end, you'll be ready to send professional-looking emails that align with your brand and get results, without having to build from scratch each time. Whether you're promoting a product, sharing news, or nurturing leads, using templates in Go High Level will make the entire process faster and more efficient. Start by logging in to your Go High Level account. I have mentioned the link in the description to try Go High Level for free by getting a 14-day free trial. Once you're inside the main dashboard, look at the left-hand menu. Find the section labeled Marketing and click on it. A few options will appear below that. Click on the one called Emails. This is the part of the platform where all your email marketing tools are located. You will see different tabs here such as Campaigns, Templates, and Bulk Actions. Click on the Templates tab. This is where all your saved email templates are stored. You can see templates that you or your team have created before, and this is also where you can build new ones. Click the New Template button in the upper right-hand corner. A screen will pop up asking you how you want to create your email. You will see three options. One is the Simple Builder, one is the Drag and Drop Builder, and the last one is Custom Code. Choose the Drag and Drop Builder. This one gives you the most control and allows you to build visually without writing any code. Now you'll be inside the email editor. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a panel with all the available elements you can use in your email. These include text blocks for adding your message, image blocks for uploading visuals or logos, buttons for calls to action, dividers to break up sections, social icons to link to your platforms, spaces for layout control, and more. You can drag any of these elements onto the canvas on the right side of the screen. The canvas is your workspace. This is where you'll build and arrange the structure of your email. As you place elements, you can click on them to edit text, change images, customize colors, adjust spacing, and fine-tune the layout to match your brand and message. To build a template, start dragging elements from the left side into the email area. First, you can drag in a text block and type in a greeting, such as "Hi there" or "Hello." Highlight the text and use the toolbar to change the font, size, or color. You can also center the text or make it bold. Then, drag in an image block. Click on it to upload a logo or promotional image from your computer. Make sure the image is not too large so the email loads quickly. Next, add another text block to your layout. This is where you can write a message to your audience, such as a brief description of your latest offer, a promotional note, or the main content of your newsletter. Keep your tone friendly and informative. Use short paragraphs to make it easy to read. If your message covers multiple topics, you can break it up visually by inserting spaces or dividers between sections. This helps create breathing room and improves readability. To encourage your readers to take action, you can include a button at the end of your message. Simply click on the button to change its text to something clear and compelling like "Shop Now" or "Read More." Then add the URL where you want the button to take people. The button serves as a clear next step, guiding your audience to the content or offer you want them to see. If you want to add your social media icons, drag in the social icons element and then click on each icon to add your social profile links. You can show just a few icons or add more depending on what platforms you use. This is useful if you want readers to follow you on social media. In addition to the basic elements, you also have the option to add more dynamic content like videos and image sliders to your email. Embedding a video can help increase engagement by allowing your audience to watch directly from the email, while an image slider is great for showcasing multiple products, testimonials, or features in a visually appealing way. These elements can make your email more interactive and visually rich, helping you grab your readers' attention and keep them interested in your content. You can also add dynamic elements like contact names. If you want to personalize the email, click into a text block and then select the personalization option from the toolbar. Choose something like Contact First Name. Once you've built the design and added all your content, click on the Preview button. This will show you how your email looks on desktop and mobile. Make sure everything looks clean and the text is readable. Try not to use too many fonts or colors. Keep it simple so the message stands out. You can also send yourself a test email. This helps you check for typos or broken links. Click on the Send Test button and enter your own email address. Open the email on your phone or computer and see how it looks. If everything looks good, go back to the editor and click Save. Give your template a clear name so you can find it later. Now your template is saved and ready to be used in an actual campaign. Go back to the Email section and this time click on the Campaigns tab. This is where you create and send your actual emails. Click on New Campaign in the top right corner. A new screen opens where you'll set up your email. Now you will choose how to create the content of the email. This time, instead of building from scratch, click on Use Template. A list of your saved templates will appear. Find the one you created earlier and click Select. The system will load the template into your campaign. You can make last-minute edits here if needed. Maybe you want to update the text, swap out an image, or change a link. Just click into the area you want to edit and make your changes. Once you're happy with how the email looks, click Save and Continue. Now you will choose who should receive this email. You can select all contacts or filter based on tags, custom fields, or smart lists. Go High Level will begin tracking your email's performance. You can go back to the campaign later and click on the Analytics tab. You'll see how many people opened the email, how many clicked a link, and how many unsubscribed. If some emails bounced, you'll also see that here. This data helps you understand what's working and what's not. If a lot of people clicked your button, that's a sign your message and offer were effective. If not many people opened the email, you might want to try a better subject line next time or send it at a different time of day. Templates make it easy to build better emails faster. You don't have to start from scratch every time. You can use one template for different campaigns and just update the content. You can also create several templates for different purposes like newsletters, special offers, or announcements. Enhance your email marketing campaigns with Go High Level's robust tools. Try it free for 14 days using the link in the description.